Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you increase the time to the screen timeout here at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. And you can see already after a certain time the screen is turning on standby. So let me show you how you can extend it. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, and then you're having here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you scroll down here on the left side to the point display, and at the right side you have a bit below now the point screen timeout. By default it's 30 seconds, and yeah, I recommend to you to put it at maximum at 1 or 2 minutes, because the screen is taking here the most energy at the tablet. Yeah, let me take here 1 minute then. So this is how you can extend the time to the screen timeout. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.